Onion peel water. Hello, Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Keiota Studio. I quickly see great results after using onion peel water in my garden plants outside, and here is a video on how I do that. I peeled the onion skin and placed it in a jar with water. Then I sealed it with a lid and allowed them to soak for 2 days. After 2 days, I placed the water into a watering cup with a long spout. Lastly, I watered the plants in my garden. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.